So let's move to the another condition, SUMIFS. SUMIF condition, this function adds the value of the item. So if condition is only what we call to test a condition, but when we add sum in the starting, so it called SUMIF condition, the function adds the value of item which match criteria set by the user. So let's move to the example again. So there is a table and we write down the item name, toilet bag, jewelry bag, shaving kit, shoe bag, toilet bag, shaving kit. So repetitive item name and sale quantity is over here, 15, 49, 44. So let's move to the formula. So as example, we wants to know the sale quantity of the shaving kit because it is repeating all over the sheet. So let's start with the formula. SUMIF. Now range, for which we need the total range. Select, comma, criteria. What we need? Shaving kit. Again, as you type in the if condition, shaving kit, then comma, sum range. So we need the sum of sale quantity. Now bracket closed, enter. So it is 110. One thing you have to make sure that shaving kit spelling you have to type very correctly, otherwise it will give you a false result. Let example try another one. Now we need the sum of shoe bag. So again range. Now item name, shoe bag, then comma and sum of sale quantity, enter. So 137 shoe bag is sold. So this is meant for the SUMIF, meant for the single condition, but for the sum, I mean to add the value. Now what about the SUMIFs? It is a very new version. It is available on the only in the new version of the Excels. So it is actually test the multiple conditions. So we are talking about, till now we are talking about the single condition, but it will test the multiple condition. As example, we have a salesperson name over here and they sold the product bed sheet cushion, and it is repeating again, and the quantity is also repeating. So as example, we need how many bed sheet Anil Kumar sold, or we can also say how many bed sheet Rohan Samaria sold, but let's test the condition. So start the formula, SUMIFS. Now read the doc. Sum range. So this is the sum range actually which we are talking about. Now comma, criteria 1. So what criteria? First salesperson name, comma, and which salesperson data we need. Then again comma. Now start with the criteria 2. Now again criteria 2 name, I mean bed sheet. Now close the formula, and we got the result. Anil Kumar sold 261 bed sheet. So let's say we'll change our name to Rohan Samaria, and you can see Rohan Samaria sold 390 bed sheets. And if we want to check the cushions, then Rohan Samaria sold 165 cushions. So that's it for the day. So dear viewer, keep watching my channel. Thanks for watching.